It's Rebekah's first night in her new house, and she's only gone and fallen asleep. I was going to the fridge to get myself a drink, and I found these. For those of you that don't know, this is like yogurt in a tube. So I think we're gonna have to wake her up. Let's go. Oh. You fell asleep on me, babe. It's yogurt.
What is that?
Yogurt. It's a little Frubes.
Babe, my walls! Oh, for God's sake, this is the first night here and you've already fucked the place. Oh. Really bad.
Yeah, baby. Did you have a little sleep? What happened? You fell asleep on me.
What have you done?
It's just yogurt.
You better get that off my fucking wall.
Okay.
That has just been painted.
I'm sorry. I'll go clear up now. I love you.